vast network of roads. Glorious past, fabulous today, standing ahead of every fashion. Steps taken to make Pakistan a sovereign and developed country makes Pakistan Muslim League to stand out from their counterparts. Today, with the same passion and drive, a new revolution of prosperity has started in Punjab under the revolutionary leadership of Chief Minister of Punjab, Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif. The current government started exemplary development projects right after coming into power, which include free distribution of 1,25,000 laptops worth ₹4 billion among students purely on merit basis, whereas with ₹5 billion, Danish schools equipped with state-of-the-art facilities were established specifically for the poor children.
Appointment of 80,000 trained teachers on merit,
and a vast network of IT labs worth ₹4.5 billion was formed in 5,000 middle and high schools all over Punjab. With ₹10 billion, Punjab Educational Endowment Fund was created for bright students, and scholarships worth ₹1 billion were awarded to deserving students for higher education. Under the banner of Chief Minister's Self-Employment Scheme, not only interest-free loans worth more than ₹2 billion were given to thousands of skilled young workers annually, but also 20,000 taxis and loaders worth ₹15 billion were given on easy installments under the initiative of Yellow Cab scheme to address unemployment. 22 model villages were formed with ₹1.5 billion, apart from ensuring the free availability of quality medical facilities and medicines to the people. Billions of rupees were granted on priority basis for upgradation of hospitals and health centers. Establishment of Ghazi University in DG Khan, finalization of new medical colleges in Sahiwal, Gujranwala and Sialkot is also a magnificent achievement of the Punjab government. Ashiana Housing Project with ₹7 billion for the poor and to create labour colony for labour on priority basis with ₹2 billion is another milestone for the government. Punjab Forensic Science Agency was formed with ₹3 billion, and commencement of fully equipped slaughterhouse with state-of-the-art facilities worth ₹1 billion is also a part of significant projects of the current government.
Construction of Kalma Chowk and Muslim Town flyover in record time with ₹2 billion each, and the construction of two-way road from Lahore to Kasur with ₹5 billion on urgent basis is another milestone.
It is an accomplishment of the government to develop a computerized land record system with billions of rupees to ease the people from the complex and corrupt old Patwari system. The credit of providing 20,000 tractors with 25% subsidy to farmers under the Green Punjab Tractor Scheme, and to provide 12.5 acres agricultural land on 5-year lease to agricultural students goes to current Punjab government as well. Other than this, it always has been a top priority of the current government to provide long-lasting solutions to the everyday problems of common man.
Formation of the smallest cabinet of the most populated province and to bear expenses of all foreign trips by Chief Minister Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif and cabinet members themselves is a reflection of the commitment that national treasure should only be used for the nation's prosperity and development.
Punjab Skills Development Fund is an important step towards the elimination of poverty and unemployment by making less educated persons skilled and self-dependent. Apart from the inauguration of Lahore bus transit system, vast network of highways, bridges and connecting roads in all over the province, especially in southern Punjab, were completed to make means of transportation easy to use. It is a momentous achievement of the current government to establish Punjab Technology University and to provide pollution-free environment and transportation of international standards to the citizens with collaboration of Turkey. The process of such initiatives to ensure the progression of the country and betterment of the people is going on and will continue, inshallah. Because we just don't only speak of change, we bring the real change. Determined to serve with the support of people. Pakistan Muslim League.